All right, that was fun, marketing. We did business, did essentials, a lot of legal stuff, a lot of website stuff, and now we're down to questions and answers. So if you have a question, this is your opportunity to ask it. And you can email me directly or use the resources that we have. We're all on the contact page. We have a huge online inspection community, and you can post on the forum or message board your concerns, your questions, or just join in the discussion. You can also post it on Facebook. You're on Facebook now that you have a Facebook business page. I know you do. Now you can post on InterNACHI's Facebook. You may want to consider getting a mentor as well. There's a lot of code books. We're talking about what to inspect in the electrical system, and code has a large section, many chapters on electrical. And for immediate assistance, if you're performing an inspection on your home and you don't understand what you're looking at, we have a button for you to get immediate assistance from other certified home inspectors. So if you have questions, now's the time to get rid of them and get answers to those questions, because we have a lot more to learn in this masterclass. So please ask your questions.